What's up mga kachong? Good morning to all of viewers. Today is my birthday. You know, my father is walking distance. You know, my bliss, your boat and Japper Sniper. Nothing boat. This is my boat. You know Drinking Master? You know Drinking Master? Yeah. It's very difficult.
No, it's really a little bit longer, it's a little bit braiding. Too much, very cold, you know. It's very nice places, you know. Huh?
Oh.
Because you see Island Mountain, look in Fortune.
Fortune Island is very there, no? It's very fog.
Not far. You see, you're very fast your boat. You only half an hour you're there. Yeah.
Ang aga-aga baka siyansihin ko yung gilagid mo dyan.
Okay, Miss Father is here.
Okay. Father, from Max.
Huh?
Flower
This is Father.
Kamu dito. Wala ko dito. Itong sa Ibusko.
Sacristan. Hey Michael, where are you?
You put some dress to your body because your body is bleaching. Not good.
Hey, why from?
Your t-shirt you put there.
From?
From
US.
Wawa.
US, Wawa.
Barangay Wawa.
Yeah.
That's a good same place. This is father in Catholic Church from Nasugbu, Batangas, and Wawa, and there in Barangay Bukan.
Yes.
There's a celebration blazing in boating.
Okay,
And
it's
it's,
my birthday. It's my birthday, Kuya
Yet
Gedo.
Night for Great is the name. Yeah. Ron's Kuya Gido, boat island hopping.
You know, Drinking Master is speaking English.
Ay, so many.
I will bless my father.
Manalangin ni Father.
What?
Father is so very strong. And
Spiritual.
Spirit in the church. You look your ear, move. No more. Finish.
Arabo.
Yeah.
Arabo.
Too much strong.
Lulutong totong, ganun.
Sobrang lakas manalangin ni Father. Yung buhok niya naubos.
Fundador. Asukar, tubig. Karga na pa doon.
Ang dahalis yan. Oo.
May hindi pa dinala ang
Napigingan o.
What?
Kau!
Ang kuya raw. Hindi daw po ako makakapasok. Ang dadali kasi ko sa mga kalagay. Kuya Lil?
Huh?
Manili.
I was sick.
Imbis. Wala na ito ba?
Sabi mo.
Kaunti na lang
Ayun
buhat.
doon, mag-bless doon, mag-bless. Lakad ko doon. At sumainyo rin.
Amen. Bawal ito ya sa wedding ko. Hindi kita tama.
Jeff, hagis, ang pera. Sintang.
Dire, dire.
Oh, shoot sa lahat.
Huwag masyado, meron yun. Nag-20 yan.
Tama ng bata.
Ano na nga 20 dyan?
Nakalit ang ganito. Tatay, akin yan. Yan, tatay.
Si Marga na huli.
Oh.
Ginaya mo ako. Ikaw, boto.
Si Michael, sa pool, 5 piso raw nakuha.
How much? Woo! 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 No more na! No. Woo! Very many money.
Hey,
Very money.
5 piso nakuha.
Oh no, oh no.
Oh no.
Nothing clean, nothing clean. Alright, thank you so much all. My father, I bless my boat. Ayan.
Wala ako pinili 5 piso.
Pusing sa liin.
How much your money?
Ganun pala yun, mag-aagawan pala yun.
Oh no! Oh no! Ow! Very many money.
Artar.
Nothing
Kala na.
Nothing to lose. Alright. Back to base. Back to home port. And preparing to my preparing to my package deal. GoPro stop recording.
Stop the garden.
Sulod ulit ni. Simare, hawa mo.
Oh.
Yan,
You know.
pare. Alisan na ko gula. Ayaw ng pagkain eh. Ay, ginawa kain yun. Tinawag
Bukong.
Asan ang aming payong? Asan ang payong ko? Hindi, ayan. Kulay blue.
Dapat nga nagpaganyan ka eh. Ay, pare, ang mga minulo
Sa amin si Padre, ang pare dito, ang pare di kumain ng ako tong mga nakuha na natispuhan si Padre. Paghikay mga itso mga kanana pagpakain sa pare. Ngayon ng pare, sila mo pagkanakay ako, sige na kung sige na kung kakain. Pare na. Pero nagpapalito, tanto papa.
Okay, go home, go home. Go home now. Because I prepare to my cell phone, batteries, any kind of vlog. What? What happened?
English ka na rin.
May ano pa kasi, may misa pa.
Wala oh, tulog man.
You know, my breakfast
Tulog ba si
is
Mateo?
preparing Miss Mary Ann. Mrs. Mary Ann, I prepare my breakfast because
Tulog ba si Mateo? Wakapas.
you're blazing the boat.
Tulog ba si Mateo?
First time gunggong. Kabungot is
Tos, kung ka Mateo, papanin mo Mateo, na.
pansit. Pansit rock. You know coffee? Father?
May kupis father.
Oh, very nice mug. Chong Luis.
Chulis man.
It's a big lobster. Million views.
Hmm?
This my lobster is a million views.
Facebook.
YouTube 1.1 point something
Sa YouTube.
million.
Aba, milyonaryo na ka. 1 milyon naman po naman.
I see.
Ang gin, chong paano yun? Babasa, may nag-comment na basagan daw talaga. Mabubog naman tayo nun. Hindi, nililising.
Di naman na, panagat ng gin.
Champagne.
Ako katong sinsilyo ng ilugan.
Lagi.
Pero ka ng gin. May lang mga balay.
GoPro stop recording. Oo, kagabi.
go to the market and we will have a lamang loob the fish. Notebook, hindi mo dala.
Dala. Very fast. Edit you. You're just like Matipo, putting in the And the GoPro. No more tripod. My body is the tripod.
You're a secret weapon, ha?
Where are you going? What's your stuff? Stop.
Anong kulong ito?
There are so many sensitive owners. We don't know the behavior of the owner of this car, so avoid touching it. Oh, keep.
No candy? Why?
Alright, meron tayong 200,000. Oh. Ricardo, 200,000. Nada sa palengke. Saan? Wala na sila.
Ano yung papalengke doon, ha? Or doon sa maliit?
My brother of
Ayun na lang kayo mamili.
Kuya Dang.
Dadaan na lang. Babalik ako doon sa alin. Ayusin na ako.
Sa I will editing. Okay. Let's go to the market.
Doon tayo paparada. Dito kaya? GR lang, no?
Dear.
Oo.
Okay.
Ay, kay Kabansot? Sarah. Sarah.
May garlic powder.
Oh, yeah.
Powder. Ano lang pa? Oo, ayan. Ito naman bigay mo.
It's very big.
This one. We will buy a lot of ano sa English ito. Search pa natin sa Google. Ayan, check muna, check sibuyas. We will more than mini. Kilaw.
Malalakay na Opo, 20 lang. Pwede mag-pudor din eh.
Yeah. This one, this way.
This one.
Carrots.
Corn. Sweet corn.
Corn sweet. Okay.
Too much.
Too much. Okay.
Too much oil you.
Tama na yan. Bawang.
Garlic.
We will buy mini of this because so that we have so many extras. Sige.
Give me one bucket.
One.
Bucket.
Bakit daw? Extra bucket. Yes po. Aray lang po.
Give me one bucket.
Bakit extra?
Give me one extra bucket.
Ay, hirap magkabili pag ganito.
Saka po kalating macaroni. Yung malaki na. Yung malaki.
Hard to find this one.
This one.
Oh, 3 minutes.
The other
Only.
cucumber. Yes, cucumber. Anything?
There's another one bucket. Thank you, te. Any bill paper there?
Nothing.
Just only picture.
Okay.
Think. Another one.
You know.
Kamatis.
Yeah. No. It's
Tama, ipos.
Ay, hindi ko. Check tuloy.
Saka paminta 20.
Ay, plastic labo kang mali. Ay, plastic labo ka. Thank you very much, ate.
no.
You know?
You know my leaves are
Gusto mo akong mag-ano?
put their leaves because
Sa inyo pwede mag-stress ng kapraso.
yes.
No problem, te. Sige lang po, te.
Yung harina, tapos bihon. Nakatisa na kami lang. Oo, meron na. Dalawang
Ate, may ano ka? Yung malaki may hawakan. Maliit lang. It's too much small, eh.
Magkano speed mo na relax?
Thank you. Have a good day. Shout out po, Ninang Kuya Dang.
82.
Ma'am Cathy.
Ma'am Kate. Shout out kay Ma'am Kate.
Big shout out. Okay.
Oh, yes, baby. Wadi ka.
Okay.
Magkano ang bawang?
How pa play?
Ilang bawang po?
That's okay.
That's okay. I'm fine, thank you.
Chili.
That's okay daw. Fine, thank you.
Chili green.
Wait lang, anay.
Chili green, chili red.
Lettuce.
Nothing lettuce.
Wala tayong gasolinang lagayan. Shit. Kung meron kang ano tayo, yung bag na malaki. Yung katulad
Small,
yan.
medium, large. Ito lang. Isang laki lang ito.
Hindi, yung, meron ba kayong ganun? Yung D&G, yung bag, nasa likod mo. Yung mga ganyan.
Danger
Ah,
na ito.
yung mga ganyan. Meron kayong ganyan.
Ayun, no? Wala kami.
Ah, sige.
Nang may street ball na yan. Oo,
Para mag-decide ko naman tayo.
Kabungot. Kabungot.
Dalawang cheese.
There.
Dalawa. Ate,
Pasuyo nga po ng Taibas ng May nitrate niya ba?
You know Litos?
Pusli? Yun ulitos. Do you have any litos back there?
Dalawa. Oo, may lettuce na. Ha?
Alright, let's go. Let's continue buying ricados here. Asin?
Ay, nalaglagan niyang sili. Wait.
Asin. Asin, check. Gin. Ay.
Meron din dyan. Sige.
Oh, okay. Maybe later, te. We will focus on the ricados, or no?
Yes.
Oh no, oh yes.
You know?
Ah, yan.
Yan.
Marami ka ng basket dyan.
Yeah,
Kunin
no.
mo na yan.
Oh, ito. Ano pa tayo? Mm.
Check, check.
Patis? May patis dun.
Half bottle.
Half bottle.
Ayaw nyo
This one?
Ganun, isa lang.
So yung big.
Ay, honey man yan.
Oh,
Alam ka kung mas makakal sa akin. Hindi kayo marunong.
one bottle of patis.
How about oyster sauce?
One bottle.
One bottle din oyster sauce.
One bottle oyster sauce?
Okay, small.
Eh, okay daw, small.
Okay, sige. Ano pa? Ano, may bawang na ba dyan? 130. Kaya ka pa naman.
Ilang kilo?
Ah.
Mahal ba mo? Good.
How much per weight your tomato?
Anong tomato ba ang ano mo?
Te, maya te. Sige lang te. Mag-isip ka lang muna dyan.
Hindi ko lang. Lettuce nga. Neng, may lettuce na daw. Sabi naman na 1/4.
Paminta pa yan. Beauty. Te, may beauty ka dyan? Sige lang, mamaya.
2 pieces.
Wala.
No more what?
Sabi niya, te.
No more.
Can buy every day. 10 view?
Pare, 40. Ano yun? 1/4.
Relax, ilagay ko sa gilid ng balance ha.
Neng, isa pang ganyan. Ay, 110 to, no? Tingin ako sa para saan po? Talong. Bi, magkano sa talong?
Eggplant. So very big. Eggplant. You know, is Arabo. Arabo eggplant. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. God damn it.
Nothing.
Open the red eyes.
Alright. You know, the boat is blazing. Ayan. You know, 3 pieces of boat going to Talim Island.
Tanga ka ba, ma?
papatakbuhin ko rin na 130. Hey! SD Clean. Very good. Clean.
You pull the gasoline in the engine?
Yes. Full tank. How many hours?
Half hour. Four paces pala. 4 paces boat. Very hot. It's very hot, you know. Inside my cottage is very hot. Thank you so much for my solid sponsor. You're my blessing to my Team Gonggong and Idol Japper Sniper. Thank you so much. Very big. Thank you very big. Bros Agulyon, Fernando Bonifacio, May Santos, Eric J. Corpos, and to all unanimous decision. So you know, you anonymous is the right. All right. Pero 200 per head. Let's go now. Let's go. Alright, let's go now. GoPro, stop recording.
Dalawa kayo dito.
Oh,
Kayo dito kasi kami. Mabata kami.
GoPro, stop recording.
1, 2, 3. Ay, dalawa na.
Ano ito na? Ang mga gamit, mga bag.
Stop mo.
GoPro, stop recording.
It's Chong Louis time. Oras na ni Chong Louis, Chong Louis ng Bukana. Tayo'y magsama-sama, mag-adventure with Chong Louis. Sa karagatan, kay gandang pagmasdahan, mag-fishing, mag-adventure tayo, mamangka with Idol Chong. Kasamang Idol Japper at Kasword family. Doon sa Fortune Island, mamasyal with family. Pagagandang tanawin, it's so beautiful to see. Oras na ni Chong Louis, Chong Louis ng Bukana. Tayo'y magsama-sama, mag-adventure with Chong Louis. Sa karagatan, kay gandang pagmasdahan, mag-follow na kay Chong Louis. Saan man sa mundo, mag-subscribe na kayo. Chong Louis. Chong mag-subscribe na kayo.